Hello, my name is Cynthia Tugis, and I'm the Director of Digital Learning for Falmouth Public Schools. Today I'll be introducing you to a tool called Google Voice. What is Google Voice? Google Voice is a free application that allows you to make and receive calls, text messages, and even receive voicemails. The Google Voice app can be used with smartphones, computers, and even tablets. You can link your Google Voice number to any mobile or landline phone number. Also, your Google Voice phone number is tied directly to the Gmail account of your choosing. Voicemail features allow you to get voicemails emailed straight to your Gmail account. To get started, you will need a smartphone, a computer or tablet with internet access in order to sign up, an active Google account, as well as a valid US phone number for forwarding calls. How can Google Voice be useful in connecting and coordinating with parents? Well, if you set up a Google Voice as your work phone and install the Google Voice app on your personal phone, you can then place calls from the app, and the person you dial sees your call is coming from the work Google Voice number and not your personal number, keeping your personal number personal. With a Google Voice, you can text from your computer, mobile phone, or tablet, read your voicemail, and search to it just like email. You can also personalize a voicemail greeting. To get started in setting up a Google Voice account via a computer, you first go to the Google Voice website, sign into your Google account, and then accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. Next, you will search by city or area code for a phone number that's available through Google Voice. If there aren't any numbers available in the area you would like, try somewhere nearby. Once you have found the number you want, click Select and follow the instructions. After setting up Google Voice, you will be able to link it to another phone number. You can also set up a Google Voice account using an iPhone or iPad. But first, you must make sure your phone is on and can receive text messages, since Google will send your phone a text message with a special code to complete the setup. On your iPhone or iPad, download the Google Voice app from the App Store if you have not already. Then open the Google Voice app, sign into your Google account, accept the terms and conditions, then continue to select a Google Voice phone number. Once again, you would search by city or area code to find an available Google Voice number. Finding the one you want, tap Select and continue to follow the instructions. Setting up a Google Voice account for an Android is also similar. You must first make sure your phone is on and that you can get text messages. On your Android device, download the Google Voice app from the Play Store if you have not already. Open the Google Voice app, sign into your Google account, accept the terms and conditions, and then continue on to select an available Google Voice phone number. Once again, searching by city or area code for an available Google Voice number. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about this tool called Google Voice.